kyobera omanya oba olabye ku katambya kadde katambula ono muwala eyazaala omwana atunda omwana munnange ono omwami yamuwa olubuto ono tata w'omwana bw'obanga nako kitabo kigenda okubeera just kimanye
nyabo tonsibaako bintu bye sitamanyi.
Boys.
Mwana kwa mimi sipaka mwana
baby girl wama gwebere eri tubimalirize amwana mbiyo samuje nawo jawo baby wamma
omunaku nalika ababe bonna agabirira era njagala ngambe nti ekitu ky'okutunda omwana kinvudde mu bwongo bwange bayira eky'okutunda omwana ndayira nga ntya Allah sigenda kikola kati kinvuddemu ki mu birowoozo byange sigenda tunda mwana kati ono taata baby ye amanya go gamanyi mbadde nsaba ogoge yali kutiitira amanya ga baby ogamanyi amanya ga taata baby ngamanyi yani bamuyita Abu Sinia Broka taata w'omwana ani yamukuyungako era mukwano gwange kubanga munaaluddemu nnyo yamukuyungako baklant bafa balungi balamusizaako nnyo amanya gange nze Nyondo witi omugaane mu bitiibwa eby'ekitalo mbaleetedde ekizigo kya Nyondo Glim ekizigo kyaffe banna ekizigo kino kirungi nnyo otandikira kulabira ddala ku nze kennyini bannange ennyirira bitya kizigo kirungi nnyo ndowooza nange muba mundaba kijjamu black spot kijjamu pimples twakuletedde sayizi yonna ey'essente zo kizigo kirungi ddala bannayinage musobola okulaba kasikini kange kali kwalaagi temuli filter eno kamera ate n'ekirala siriko ka makeup bana emikwano tubebaza otusupportinga mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala temujjango okwera mugende maaso n'okusupportinga naffe tusobola otwala programs zaffe endala mu maaso mpozi n'ekirala tulinawo wano buwig bubuno nga kano kenyambadde kawigi kalungi nnyo kumwe abatagala kusiba nviiri oba batagala kumala budde mu saloon osooka teekako nga nze kuba nange sirinaako nviiri ku mutwe nkataddeko naye era ndabika bulungi mpozi n'ekirala ekyenviiri nsiba enviiri yonna gy'obeera oli oba oli mu kiyumba oba oli luddawa nze yonna nzija oba nnumba wano wendi ku bbeeyi ey'okuteesa etali ya mpaka mpozi n'ekirala yes tulinawo ebintu ebirala wano tulinawo ebintu by'abakyala eby'omu kisenge n'ebyabaami tulinawo manipawa w'abaami n'ebyabakyala biyitirivu ddala besobola kumenya bannange naye nga byebyo ebiri mu sitowa yaffe
abo tukuyise mirembe twogeremuko wali eri sebuka olina muwala mulala oganye okujja okwogerako naffe kati weekweka kuki madam
Anyono
sani ono tumanyi abo ngutumizako ero twogere ebintu bino mu buntu bulamu oganye sebo kati olina muntu mulala ono amaze omuzalamu omwana kati olaga nti olina muntu sebo na mukazi mulala nasooka nekubirako luli na ddembe nekugamba butogeremu ng'abantu okitegera abantu basinga muntu olabubi nga mugamba musimanya kamera njagala nnyo okuteeka bantu kamera nenayogera nawe mirembe nekugamba abo bw'onaba ng'ogaanye nja kujja kumpaka
meseji zo naziraba naye lwaki oteeka mu kamera
sikuteeka mu kamera nekugamba muli eddembe bwobanga ebintu biganye mu ddembe biba bigenda kweyogera mu kamera
soke twogeremukko naawe naye nga twali kamera
babigala wama gwebeera eri tubimalirize amwana mbiyosa muje nawo jawo bebi wamma abu
soka webike ne
lwaki abeera yebika mukwano ekyobeera omanya oba olabye ku katambya kadde katambula ono muwala eyazaala omwana atunda omwana munnanga ono omwami yamuwa olubuto ono tata w'omwana bwobanga nabwo kitabo kigenda okubeera just kimanye
nyabo tonsibaako bintu bye sitamanyi
abu toyogera bubi kiwakola okimanyi omwana si musiru
nyondo bwoba onjagaza emirembe ensonga ezo saagala kuddamu zoogerako
lwaki olazoogerako
olwokuba alina n'omukyala omulala
abu olindako twogere bulungi mu bukakkamu ng'abannayuganda oli munnayuganda yogera lulimi luganda si bwe kiri nkwadde obudde obumala ebadde ndowooza wiiki namba eweze lindako abu lindako abu wangamba sikusiriwalyako si bwe kiri tewanvuma abu tewanvuma
ina ensonga wakinayogera bwe ntyo
nti sikusiriwalirako ku mwana owuwo abu mulimu ebintu tewandi olabaye nakyabeera yebikka tolina kwebika abu olaba ebintu ebimu madamu mukwano oli musanyu tobisiganye naye omulaba ono omwami bw'oba walabye akatambi oba tulina bakala bagenda ku Nyondo Media waliwo ono muwala ono ali wano eno ono bebi gwolabye wano eno ye kamwe nyini ye yamufunyisa olubuto omwana n'amaana akola ki n'amwegaana okitegeera abu omwana nakugamba oli omwana tumumanyi
omanyi abaana bennakaleeta kuno omanyi abaana bennakaleeta
nga wobwe bakakosebwa kiri
tonsibaako matu ga mbuzi
kati waliwo nakuba omulala ono agenti sabo bamani bakozesa abaana katiwuli ayinza okubanga naye kadaama nga nagenda kukola mukwano kyoba omanye nawe ogenda kuva n'olubuto okkiriza oba ogaane omwana bagenda mwegaana tebikwatako buli omu n'omukisa gwe kale mukwano
mugyewo kamera zammwe
abu sokoleke tugere nga bannayuganda olwasookera ddala nakubirako essimu nenjogera nawe n'oŋŋamba sikola ki n'onvuma nenkuddamu neera ntogera mu yabuntu bulamu sawa lwaki abu bwe nakugamba twogere mu ddembe wagaana baddu bano ogula mulwaddemuuko tuba tulina okujja kyonna kyowula kyosobola okukola kiri gy'oli okitegeera naye nga fe kitwetaaga nze nakugamba nti onaba oganye tujja teekamuko engeri yakafoosi okitegeera tuli bannayuganda guno omusaayi gugwo
gwe Nyondo
so maddu bayolaba omuyayi
oyo omwana omulaba bazaala omwana sirina kyemmanyi yafuna olubuto omwezi ogusooka ogwokubiri ogwokusatu sirina kyemmanyi kati gwovuddewa bade temunkyankalanya
abu lindako madubai kasuke mbuuza abu abasajja bannayuganda wano mu Dubai bali bameka lwaki omwana yeetoolodde agamba gwe lwaki si muntu mulala
oyo omwana si wange
lwaki mwegaananga nnyo abaana gamaze bafunyisa embuto noyo wuuyo wanafutuka naye omwegaana wuuyo naye kaddama omulese kukola
muze kyankalanya muze agenda kanasule wa
imagine yaza kukola
petition
osala mu petition
era bajene basula ne bamane bagende ncha
nosula nabo lwaki obera basula mu petition yo lwaki
akulimbo yalabuka mukazi we
ati na mukazi we ne agenda ku mulimo batu wabakola
oyo mwala olaba ensonga eriwe eri bweti olubuto si lwange omwana si wange kyona kyekiri
ye yabadde mulalo tugamba nti gwe tata w'omwana ye yabadde mulalo
walese bakajobi
No, kuno tekuliko kukakajubi naye just muntu muzala abana muzala mbana babantu.
Mukube mutochi ajiwulire, mukube mutochi.
Muzala mu bana babantu. Ate aki ebikanga si mwana we.
Muvewo mu.
Asa kungato omuntu agenda tunda omwana naye nga gutata woliwa. Obo kitege.
Aina petition number. Osokola n'omwana. Olanga buyo. Abuto ina jolaga nga tunakumaliza bintu bino. Kirizo bogane. Toina jolaga. Obo tukube. Oli omwana gwokabya musayi gwabu. Mwagala kuzalanga mbane balekanga o just. Tewali gitulaga abu. Kino kigwa leero. Ogenda kusala nze ngenda kutimba buli wamu nkuuli amazima. Wangaye mwe tebinkwata ko kitegeera.
Mama omwana atidda ne mufuluma. Sometimes abana tubagamba oli alinamu omulala oba kitegeera.
Ate era fume.
Nyoze kola.
Mamadia muleke bereka sino omwana.
Temundekanya muve.
Gendere nawe.
Olaga omusajja gwalina nda alina omukyalo omulala.
Nenda yauna yabaga ndorode abera akosa bakozese. Abu
mazima naye sawa
kungamba.
Bogambye.
No, just kintu kimu kwatagana mwana twayo nti afulumya nti okugenda.
Abu obange mitu bino gambye okukwata mu dde. Ogenda kusasa na buli wamuze nkulya mazima. Mama wagenda kulaba, kitawa wagenda kulaba. Mama muteka mu light bulungi nnyo. Lwaki kati webika? Lwaki bawebika abu? Lwaki bawebika? Lwaki bawebika? Nzagera kulia ndi muntu yamira pini botuka kwene mbere nga bitu byakubonya bonya bana wabajja mu monster muzite lwacho bosula naye kati wuyo
nze
wuyo boze naye wuyo oyo sakadama tokasa kwa milimo si lutalo naze mize pini kubanga nzengera nkubulire bwenda omuntu ngali anifeya omutima gwa gusaba mulundi ogu atera kulumba sina na chenja omuntu ali mukubona bwana naye lwaki omwana we bina kudungo oli wanendo ona petition number omuntu uteka omwana ona sente osakulabirira omwana
omuntu ofuna oluto omwezi ogusooka ogwokubisina kyemmanyi obisana omwana
Esankana bisikite zaka. Kabla kintu kimu tukanje.
Yaganya okukanya kyo nje kudavu.
I come back to sleep. What is this?
Brother,
I just came back from work. What is this? Why are you people making noise like this?
Brother, first come and solve this issue, bro. This is my landlord.
What's going on?
Why too much quarreling?
Why is he that want to settle this? Why is he that
Can't I sleep? I just come back from work now to sleep. Why are you guys making this noise?
Brother, you just these guys. Just sit outside, bro.
How chasing us? What should he?
What's going on here? What's going on here? Please, what's going on?
This guy's just found me. I'm just sleeping. So, just saying, disturbing me. I don't know what's going on.
You're saying is your landlord, sir?
Yeah.
And he's a man. Not
yes,
so?
Of course.
Okay. Bro, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Please, I'm very sorry. And we are sorry for coming here.
Okay.
I would like to discuss with you something politely. You know this is...
What is this?
Wait.
1 minute, my friend. Allow them to talk.
What's going on now?
Abu,
allow him to talk. Allow her how to talk.
Abu, wait. Please wait.
Okay, I'm listening, madam. What is it?
So, brother, it is like this. This one is our fellow Ugandan. You understand?
Okay.
Now, this guy is an agent. I think you know that very well.
So, but you are just need a sympathy?
Abu, wait, please. Wait, Abu.
Who is it from Uganda?
This guy is a Ugandan.
From Uganda.
Yeah,
I know.
Yes.
Then
yes.
Why they not?
Even us, we Ugandans. Bro, I want you please to understand very well. If you're a father, if in life you've ever gotten a child, please, I want you to understand this. Listen, now, he's having another lady. This is not my case. It's okay. You understand? This one is an agent. He's bringing girls from Uganda. But he has to first sleep with them. And then after, he takes them to what? To work. Do you know what happens? Wait. Abu Sirika. Wait. Now, bro, listen. Do you know what happened? He brought a girl, the girl that you sing outside with a child. Hope you found a lady with a child, this small girl. She's 19 years.
I'm hearing you.
Yes, she's 19 years. You understand? You've seen the baby with her.
What is the situation,
now,
madam?
The situation,
okay.
I'm going straight.
Tell me what's the situation.
Okay. You know what this guy did?
Because you people are disturbing me, I need to sleep.
He brought the girl to work here in a house. What he did, he had to sleep with a lady before she goes to work. Now, after sleeping with her, the girl was pregnant. She got the pregnancy. When she reached in the house, She did not know because she's young. She had never given birth since. Now she got the pregnancy. She did not know in the first month. She did not see her periods. For the second month, the third, the fourth, the fifth. Because in Uganda, she's saying when she was in Uganda, she had this case before. Now she took it just for granted. She thought maybe it is the same issue. You understand?
Bro,
now what? Wait,
bro,
wait.
you just leave this
Now,
man.
don't make me angry again. What is your
I
problem?
want to conclude.
What is your problem?
Let him listen.
What for Nigeria?
Let-
I'm not
listen.
Nigerian.
Listen to this.
Okay, I'm a Nigerian.
Yes, you are Nigerian.
Are you crazy?
No, calm down.
You are my tenant.
You get it?
You are my tenant.
You get it?
Okay? You see why I don't like
You
Ugandan
just
men.
stay away from this.
This
issue.
is this how some of Ugandan
Okay.
men
Bro,
destroy
bro,
ladies.
bro, wait.
What
wait,
is all this?
Bro, wait. Let me
No,
conclude.
don't tell me wait.
What a call
You
you
are trying to explain to me and he's
Abu,
telling
wait.
me that that I'm a
Abu,
Nigerian
wait.
man.
Abu,
Are you
wait.
crazy?
Now,
What?
Why are you telling me? Okay.
Abu,
Kaliwali.
wait, Abu.
Okay, now, bro.
Kaliwali.
You must tell me the
Tell me
truth
what?
now. Are
Let
you
me
mad?
let me tell you, bro.
You
Let
are
me
mad. You
conclude.
are
My brother,
mad.
listen
Bro,
to me.
You are mad.
This
bro.
lady now.
You are mad.
This lady.
Bro.
I want to know the truth.
Let me
Just
conclude.
tell me the truth.
What
Let
do
me
you want to know?
If not,
Bro.
I will show you the beast. in
That
me.
is it. Bro, let me
I want to know
conclude.
the truth.
Bombo clad.
Madam.
Let me
What
Madam,
is that?
listen.
Please.
You have told me everything I want to know. For him to jump into this matter without allowing you to explain to me,
Yes,
that means
he
he
does
has
not want-
something
That
he's
is it.
hiding.
That is it. I
My
wanted
friend, listen to me. I want you to tell me the truth, and
Don't
you
tell
must
me
tell me
anything,
the truth
bro.
now.
Bro,
Listen, come. I want us to talk like a man.
Don't tell me anything.
I will.
Okay.
Don't make
You can't.
Come on, get out from there. Are you mad?
see, even
You
this-
can't.
No,
You are
can
mad.
you calm down?
Are you mad?
You are
Calm
mad.
down.
What happened, bro? Tell me the
Bombo
truth
clad.
now.
You are mad.
Did you pregnant the lady or
Yes, he did. He
Bombo.
did.
No, I don't
He
want you
did.
to talk, madam. Bro, talk to me as a man. Did you pregnant this lady
No.
or not?
No.
I will make problem with you.
Bro.
And you will never go out from
You
me.
are man. I'm a man. Okay.
Okay, now talk to me.
Don't shout on me, bro.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
I'm calm, bro. I'm calm.
Okay,
just
now
tell
say
me the
something.
truth.
Yeah, say something.
Just tell me the
Say
truth
something.
as a man.
The truth is,
Just tell me the truth, please. Nothing but the truth.
listen. The truth is, this baby is not for me. Okay.
Why?
I am not the one who give this lady
Pregnancy.
But
pregnancy.
have you ever slept with her? Is a question.
No, madam, don't talk.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
I'm the one he's talking to.
Okay.
We are just talking man to man.
Okay.
So, the lady get her pregnancy 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, up to produce the baby. But now this lady coming and told me, you just police, you just give the give us wait.
He has many girls.
Mulala,
Imagine. Everyone calling. Just imagine.
Bro, why like this? But I want to ask you a question, bro.
He's pretending.
Bro, please leave this your phone. I want to
Mufana.
ask you a question.
He's pretending.
For me to leave my sleep and come here to be talking about what I know nothing about, I don't like it. Bro, I want to ask you a question. Did you sleep with the lady before she went to work or not?
Listen.
No, I want to ask you a question.
Answer
It's simple.
Answer
You know
that.
this lady is doing Madam Kadama work.
Yes.
She doesn't go out.
Yes.
She goes nowhere.
Yes.
Did you sleep with the
Yes.
lady before she
But then you sent her to
she
the
went
house?
back to work or not?
She never came out.
Just answer me, bro. Just talk to me as a brother, please.
Are you a judge? Are you a judge?
No.
I'm not a judge, but I need to know the truth.
see.
I want to solve this
Okay.
issue.
Leave this issue.
Why should he?
Why would I leave this issue?
Why?
We are talking about human being here. This is a human being, an innocent
Get away
child.
from my partition, okay?
This is my
Just
flat.
imagine.
Have
Just-
you forgotten?
Just
I give you
imagine.
money.
This is my flat.
I give
you
you-
Yes.
just me money because you gave me that chicken change. You collapse my flat. Are you mad?
Just listen
I
what
don't
he
know why
said.
Nigerians
listen.
like that, bro.
If you
Every
talk,
Nigerian is like
this-
that.
If
You
you
talk
talk
to
one
them-
more about
Leader,
Nigeria
we're
now,
not
I will
talking about
slap you. Are
Nigeria,
you mad?
you are Uganda.
If you talk one more word about Nigeria,
if you
I will
say-
slap you.
Now, what should
Are you
you say?
stupid?
You can't,
Why
you
should you be
can't, my
blaming
friend.
the
If you
Uganda
talk
Nigerians?
Calm
if you
down.
talk one more
Wait,
rubbish about Nigeria, I will slap you.
wait,
Are you
wait.
stupid?
You can't slap me.
Nawe kankana bw'omanyi omukazi
Abu.
lwaki otumalira
We are talking
ebiseera
about what
No,
you did.
bro. You can't.
We are talking about what you did, and you are here accusing
Oyo
Nigeria.
ebintu bino
What brought
ebintu
Nigeria? What brought to Nigeria into this matter? Listen to me. I want I can help you as a friend. If you tell me the truth, I can help you as a friend. I can help you the way you...
How can you help me?
I can help you.
How?
Just tell me the truth.
Since you cannot accommodate the lady
Since
with
you
the
can't
baby
just
and feed
tell
the
me
baby,
the truth.
that means
That's all I need to know.
So
tell me the
he can help
truth.
you
Because
out.
this
Why don't
lady
you tell
cannot
her no?
accuse you.
And it is the truth. Bro, you know, the day he sent her in house, she never came out. Not until she realized she was pregnant. Actually, when she came
I
outside,
ask you a simple question. 1 minute, madam. Madam, 1 minute.
Okay.
My brother, I ask you a simple question.
I'm not your sister now. I'm not your sister. I'm not calling your sister, Abu. I'm not your sister. I'm not your sister.
Wait, my brother, I ask you a simple question.
No.
Did you sleep with this lady before she went back to work or not? Did you slept with her or not? Answer me.
Don't your nonsense, okay? Don't tell me your nonsense.
You're calling it
Listen
nonsense,
to me.
so?
Listen to me. Don't make me angry here.
Bro.
I have been following you calmly. It's like you don't like...
He's bringing ladies.
Bro, listen to me.
ladies.
Don't make me angry.
You are my landlord.
Come on, shut up. I ask you...
How can I shut up? How can I?
Bro, I ask you a question.
Don't
Did
tell me
you
your nonsense.
fuck that lady before she went to work
did,
or
yes,
not?
he did.
Answer me.
He did.
It's a simple question.
Yes, he did.
What is all this?
You did.
Muri
babekana na Uganda. Lwaki mwana agamba gwe sigwe agent we
Don't ever in your life insult me because I'm from Nigeria. If you insult my country, I will show you madness. Are you mad? Do you think I cannot force you to talk truth?
You can't.
Is it because I'm... Don't insult my country.
Want fight, yeah?
Don't insult my country.
You want fight?
Don't insult my country.
I can fight with you.
Don't insult my country.
Bro,
Don't insult my country.
you are Nigerian. You all Nigerian.
I said
Too much culture.
you dare not insult my country. Are you mad? Are you mad?
Bro,
Are you mad, bro? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? You dare not insult my country. Bro, are you mad? Are you mad?
I will call police.
Call police.
I call
I have
police.
it. Call police.
I will call
I will
police.
kill you before you come.
I will call police.
I'll kill you before you come.
wait.
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Wait.
Are you mad?
Wait.
I don't want to wait. Are you mad? Are you crazy? You're insulting my country. Are you mad? Because I need food from you.
No, but Sikayo, omusajja nawe.
Did you fuck that lady or not? Talk truth. Did you fuck that lady or not? Did you fuck that lady or not?
Bro,
I asked you. I said, did you fuck that lady or not?
Okay.
Did you? Did you fuck that lady or not? Did you fuck that lady or not?
I will.
Did you?
I do.
Why you know? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? Why are you lying? What happened? What happened?
Let us talk man to man.
Don't fire you and man to man.
Okay.
Why you fuck that lady and you are claiming that you did not fuck her? Are you mad?
Bro, you know.
And you are insulting my country. Are you stupid?
I'm so sorry for that.
Okay, what happened?
Okay.
Tell them.
What happened?
Let us just talk. Man to man.
Okay, what
Okay.
happened?
I'll tell you everything tomorrow.
What
Cause
tomorrow?
Bro, what happened?
Let's
My brother,
Let's
in
today.
my mood now, I can kill you here. What happened?
Bro, don't fight.
today.
I know you're hungry.
No, come on, what happened?
What?
Bro,
What happened?
No.
don't do that.
You fuck that lady or not?
Don't do that, bro.
No, wait,
I asked you.
Wait, Abu.
No.
Abu.
Did you fuck that lady or not? Before she goes
Abu,
to
please.
work.
I do.
Abu, please.
You do.
Yes, I do.
Please.
Then why are you stressing everybody
No.
here?
I'm going to
Are you
arrange.
mad?
No, bro. I'm going to arrange everything. Okay.
No, my
I'm going to arrange everything. Okay. I'm going to arrange everything.
What is
I'll
this?
take that lady
You fuck the lady.
baby.
Why are you
and
arguing?
baby to my country.
But why are you stressing everybody?
Abu, what did you say?
No.
What did bro?
I'm going to arrange everything.
Are you serious?
Exactly.
So you know
No, I get it properly. I get it properly.
Do you know that
We are posting
my
everything.
country person can
And
never
when
do
you fail to
this?
do so,
Once
you
you
can put your
pregnant a
face.
lady, once you pregnant a lady, you can never deny your child. What is all this?
Yes, and
Why
then
you
you say
denying your own
Nigerians,
child?
Nigerians, you're Ugandan.
Why are you denying your own child?
I'm so sorry for that. I'm so sorry, brother. Okay? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
You are going to
Ono
take
muna
your-
Uganda to accuse gaba Nigeria. Ono muna Uganda bana Uganda babi. Nabana Uganda babi.
My sister, 1 minute.
Even
please.
Ugandans
I
are
don't
bad.
want- I don't
He's a
want ladies-
Ugandan, he's not
I
a
don't want
Nigerian.
ladies- Wait, I don't want ladies talking. This is man talk.
Okay.
Wait, I don't want ladies talking.
Listen,
Listen,
Rozet.
I want you to repeat
Yeah.
what you said here now.
brother, listen to me. I'm going to arrange tomorrow.
Speak
Air-
louder.
air
I want to
ticket.
hear you louder.
I'm going to arrange air ticket, everything for baby, and get her passport, everything. Okay.
My dear, I say I don't want to hear lady voice here. I don't know what you are speaking.
Nyondo, puliza mulimi Uganda. Ngenda kukola ekisoboka
Speak
kyonna.
English, you will listen.
Okay. Tomorrow, I'm going to arrange.
So you are speaking your language. When I'm asking you something in
No,
English.
I'm not.
Are you mad?
I'm not
Why
abusing you.
I'm
not
My
abusing
brother,
you.
don't make me angry. Oh. Are you crazy?
Just speak.
I just said a simple thing. Repeat what you said in English.
Speak-
Why are you speaking your language?
Speak in our language, I'll translate.
Okay, tomorrow I'm going to arrange everything: passport, okay, air ticket for baby, and for ready, and take it my country. No problem about that.
Not only that, you have to take care of your responsibility as a man.
Yes, of
Because
course.
it's your blood.
So now
I will
you've
do.
agreed. You've
I'm
agreed.
agree everything.
But brother, why are you behaving like this?
Tugandesereza
Why you
Ekikulu kiri
why you
nti
behaving like
uliza.
this?
oba tumuleta gira abeera wano kubanga olina space okumuteeka ono aveewo ono waliwo talina mwana gutusanzeewo oyo aliwo oyo aveewo
Tugenda bitereza byonna. Tugenda bitereza. Olunaku lwa leero buli kimu kigatambula bulungi.
How can somebody deny his own blood? It's not good, bro.
But is this happening in
This is
Nigeria
not
as well?
good. Never. We are even proud of having baby. Nigerian man can never deny their own child.
We are brothers. We are brothers. I've been here like 1 year.
You, my brother, listen. If I pregnant a lady now, she tell me, "Baby, I'm pregnant for you," I will be very happy.
That is it.
What is all this? Why are you denying
You're
an
supposed to be
innocent
happy,
child?
but you're denying your
No,
kid.
I told
Why?
you.
Those are
But what?
curses
But
from God.
to tell you the truth, I'm sorry for hitting you. Okay.
Kamama,
The reason why I
kaliwa kamama, kaliwe kakaaba. Nawo
I have already
aliyedi akaba, mwana akaba,
I have
mwana
already
akaba.
noticed from the question I asked, the way you jumped into the question, I noticed that you did it. Okay, but I'm sorry for hitting on you. But brother, please take care of this innocent child.
Exactly. I get it.
This lady is
I
suffering.
I get it.
This lady is suffering.
Yeah.
Take good care of this innocent child.
Yes,
please.
we want these things to
I don't
sort
want
them
to
out
hear
in a good
this
way.
rubbish again.
Yes.
That you are staying in my friend doesn't mean anything.
Nkitegedde bukimu naye Nyondo nkunyigidde.
Don't speak your language.
Nzija kugamba ozaale omwana,
Don't
nzija
speak your
kugamba
language.
ozaale eri naawe, nzija kugamba ono muzaalemu omwana.
Banga lyonna.
Banga lyonna. Guli kati munange nkuyambira kwa tokimanyi nkuyambye.
Ate era nja
Oli mwana wo.
kulabisa.
Ate okulabisa
Don't
ojja
do
nze
this
ngenda
thing.
okulabisa.
Ate era nja kulabisa.
Munange nze ndabisa mukwano ngenda kulabisa.
All these
Ate nga
things
you have to do
said here,
everything that
try
that
to
you
make
say.
sure. All these things you said here, try to make sure you fulfill all of them.
Brother,
Yes.
I get
If I hear that you
Bro.
did not
Bro,
take care
you are
of
mad.
this
You will
lady,
help us on this
if
issue,
I
bro.
hear you did not
You
take care
will
of
help
this
Bro,
us.
lady,
I get it everything.
I
bro.
swear to God, if I hear you did not take care of this lady with the unborn child, your own child, your own blood,
I get it.
brother, I swear to God, I will change it for you.
Bro, I'm
And if I change it for you,
I'm going to be here.
you
I'm going to be here. You will
I
see.
say,
Tujja
anywhere
munoonya.
you run, go, I will
Bro,
catch you.
yeah. You will,
I
we will
swear.
look for you. We will look for you. We shall
That's all I
post
have to
you.
tell you. And
We
again,
shall expose
and again,
you. We shall
and again,
expose
all
you
this
everywhere. If you don't do so,
omuntu asaana okugenda mu Abu Dhabi atuweesereza omwana waayebaka.
nekati sooka otuweza omwana y'okwebaka. Kwata mu nsawo otuwe ku ssente.
Esawa zo ziri mu bank.
Kale wulira.
Why not just agree?
I don't have cash.
Yeah, so bro.
This is not good.
Bro,
It's not good. I want to sleep.
Actually, bro, thank you
Please,
very
I'm
much.
so tired. I want to go and sleep.
Thank you so much, bro.
I said
bro.
before, bro.
Okay, bro, I get
Listen
it.
to me, like I said.
Okay.
Make sure you take good care of that lady.
That
and
is
your
it.
unborn
That
child.
is it.
If you fail to do that, you have me directly
That is
to contend
it.
with.
That
I
is
swear.
it.
Okay,
That
bro.
is it.
I'm so appreciative
That is it.
for your explanation. Huh?
Don't appreciate
What
anything.
is that
You are stupid.
appreciation?
Bro.
You are a stupid man.
You're right. You're telling
For you to lie for me and keep
you're
me
telling
here
the
for
truth.
long,
That is
that
it.
means you are not a man.
It's stupid.
Yeah, you are mad.
Even me denying your kid means that you're stupid, bro.